So we are at the Hyatt Regency in Da Nang, and we're staying, they upgraded us to a suite.
Yay.
So we're staying on points, 12,000 points per night at the Hyatt. Look at this place. Wow. There's a separate bathroom here. Look at this suite. It's gorgeous. Look at that view. And a little table. And what's this? Oh, a little mini bar area. Nice. That's really nice. And we have a balcony. Bless you. Look at that. I mean, it's rainy out, but it's beautiful. Right there's the ocean. That's gorgeous. And the pool. I hope we have one clear day.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
It would be really nice. Let's look at the bedroom. There's a TV there. And then this is the bedroom. Big bedroom. Another balcony area. There's the bed. And here's the bathroom. There's a rain shower there and a huge bathtub overlooking the balcony.
Take a bath now.
Woohoo!
Yay.
2 double sinks.
That's interesting. The shower's with the bath.
Yeah, that's kind of odd. Another restroom. There's some light back here. Oh, look, we have a huge walk-in closet. They brought us our luggage. Nice. Look at that. That's huge.
That is huge. That's bigger than a lot of people have at home.
Yeah, that's crazy. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Nice. It's nice to have globalist status and be upgraded.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Wow.
This is great.
No extra charge
How much
either.
is this costing us, honey?
12,000 points per night.
No money?
And we're going to the club lounge right now. So let's do. I completely missed our welcome offer. This says it's pineapple cheesecake. And then this is handcrafted locally. Kabuchi. And this is, I have no idea. But they're probably edible, I would think. Yeah, they're definitely edible. Wow, that's so nice. A nice card. Ah, they knew I was coming. Wonderful.
Good morning, sweet.
Good morning, Tim.
Here we are
Where are we?
in Vietnam, Da Nang.
Da Nang. Today's day 23. We just arrived yesterday.
Yep.
And today it's a little gloomy out, but we are gonna go see the bridge today, the Dragon Bridge, and go to the local markets and do a few things in downtown Da Nang.
Yeah.
I had hoped to go to Hanoi, but it's flooded there.
So we're not going there.
Well, we'll have to see how much the flood water recedes, but it's like 5 to 6 feet of flood waters there in the old town. So we may not make it to Hanoi. Not Hanoi, Hoi An on this trip, because it's Hoi An, the old town is flooded. So we'll have to see. Yeah, I know, it's kind of sad. And I don't know if we'll make it up to the Golden Bridge with the 2 hands that hold up the bridge.
How far is that?
It's not the distance, it's the fact it's in the
Flooded
mountains.
too.
It's cloudy. It's very cloudy, you can't
Oh,
see
that's
anything.
true.
So,
Oh, darn it.
so we might have just 5 nights in Da Nang and experiencing that city alone. We'll have to see how the weather is. Maybe it'll clear up. But today it's cloudy, so we're gonna go see the Dragon Bridge, which breathes fire.
Okay. On the weekends, I think they do.
Yeah, on Friday night. But we'll see what it's all about today.
Okay. Talk to you later. Around the whole facility. Now this one's a pool and it has sand.
It's a pool with sand?
Pool and sand, yeah. Guess it's for kitties. Beautiful grass.
It's a little chilly.
See the sand?
Yeah. Well, not really, but
It's a little bit. A little bit of
drizzle. Yeah, a little drizzly day.
Here's the sand. And the seas. Oh yeah, I mean it's all the way out there. It was worse last night. Oh, red. See, it's a red day.
It's a red day.
It says, what's red? Red says danger. Do not enter the water. Right, here. When the lights are up.
Yeah.
It's a big resort.
There's another pool.
Oh, it's got a slide up there too. That's why it's a kiddie pool.
Oh.
We are right over here, and yeah, there's a pool back here. Let's see here, what else? Pool over here, we saw a pool over here, pool over here, pool over here, pool over here. Wow, lots of lakes.
Morning.
So there's the slide.
Oh.
Oh, he said no adults or something was.
No adults on the slide? I can't imagine why not. It's a big slide.
We'll walk through here and walk through.
This is where we came in at. And it was cold and rainy yesterday too.
Oh, what is it? I think that's a ice cream piece.
Let me step.
Okay, there. You took pictures of that last night?
Of the club lounge?
Hey, sweetie. Thank you.
There's the other pool. I think this is the private club pool. Over there. That's what she said. You'll have to tell me what you think. This is my big purchase in Vietnam. Included the pants. $13.50. I also got this one that is $13.52. Get to work on it. It's all the way down there too.
It's pretty. It's very nice.
I like it.
I do
I
too.
think it was a good price.
Yeah.
What a
it's
good bargain.
price.
You think it'll look great on a cruise ship.
Yes, it